Alright, so for 36 and 37, we are going to just put these in the calculator, and so I just want to show you the keystrokes for that to make sure that you've got that down. So remember that cosecant is 1 over sine, and secant is going to be 1 over cosine. So I don't have secant or cosecant buttons on the calculator because I simply have to do 1 over and then the trig function that I'm taking the reciprocal of. So notice that 36 is in radians and 37 is in degrees. So the first thing you want to do is go to mode on your calculator. And you can see right now my calculator is currently in radians, so that's fine. I'll go ahead and do number 36 since it's in radians. I want to type in 1 divided by, and then I'm going to open parentheses so that I can put my whole denominator together. I want to do 1 over the sine of negative 5 pi over 9. So sine negative 5 pi is right up here. So you have to hit the second button and then pi over 9. Close your parentheses. So now I'm closing the parentheses for the argument of the sine, and then I'll close it again so that that captures that whole denominator. Excuse me. And so that is the decimal approximation for it. You can just put 3 decimal places is fine. Okay, so for 37, we have to be careful because now I'm in degrees. So I'm going to have to go to mode, and I'm going to have to change my mode into degrees. And then again, I'm going to be doing 1 over cosine since this is secant. So I will do 1 divided by, open your parentheses, the cosine of negative 215. So remember, the negative just means I would be going around the unit circle in the opposite direction than normal. The calculator is perfectly fine handling that. So if you just type this in, you can see that the secant of negative 215 is approximately negative 1.221 if you round that last decimal place.